It's just come off your fingers. Sorry.
This is a hard one to answer, this is.
Personally, my biggest issue is being a working parent on my own. To be there for all the things that she wants to do, and especially doing a full day's work and then having to do the parenting thing with her, I find I struggle with that.
Managing time with jobs and trying to fit everything in with the children.
Just social media, it's just heightened now. Where years ago, social media, it wasn't around as much.
I think that social media is the bane of my life. Social media can have its positives, and I think, you know, used correctly can be a very positive part of a child's education and growing up, and as part of the family, as well as, you know, if you want to keep in contact with other family members. But unfortunately there are sides that it can be abused and cause no end of trouble, damage and strife.
It puts a lot of pressure on parents. You've got, when I was little, you didn't have these things. The children now are looking at the internet, they look at videos, watching what other children have. I just think it influences them in everything that they do.
What did you say?
This is hard. I tell myself every day, am I doing it right? I think it's just showing your children that they can talk to you.
Positive parenting is mutual respect between yourself and your child.
Being a positive influence on your child, looking for all their good points and to celebrate all their achievements.
Being supportive is helping the children, is reading with the children, encouraging them to, with their homework, to complete it to a standard that they would expect in school, so it's not just something that is just done quickly on a piece of paper.
I think to make a positive home, you need happiness within the home.
Just be open and honest and firm and fair. I feel, you know, if I'm honest with them and I expect them to be honest, and I do find that being firm and fair, they know where the boundaries are, and obviously I know where the boundaries are with them, what I can and can't push them to do.
If there was, I'd love to meet one.
There's definitely no such thing as a perfect parent.
Be positive, not perfect.
Sweating, girls.
Do you know, we speak Welsh in the house as well, and I'm trying to think of everything in English as well. So it's...
Was I good? Yeah. Was I all right? Yeah.